jam up at the start. We were going to try to start closer to the committee boat, but there really wasn't any room there. Right at the start, it seemed like everybody wanted to go right because of their view of the current, but it was just so much of a lift coming off the line. So we just played the shifts going up the course more than trying to get to what most people thought was the favorite side of the line from a current perspective. Just comfortable to get a good race under your belt in the first race. Stay out of trouble, don't make any big mistakes, and that's what we try to do. Well, the current and the wind's a real challenge for many of us who haven't sailed in such strong current before. So, we've benefited a lot from being here for the last 5 days. We're out sailing all different types of wind, current. Race committee's doing a great job, but it took a good 3-4 days to get used to the current and the wind changes throughout the course. So it's a beautiful place to sail. It's very difficult, but very beautiful place to sail.
We ended up rounding all the marks second, except finishing third. So we was just beaten by Christian Negård at the end, but it was a close one. Speed felt okay, so it's going to be an interesting Worlds this year. But yeah, it's very competitive. I think I felt like Menzi was doing very well on the upwinds today, super fast, and those we had around us. So it's going to be a long regatta, and I think lots of stuff will happen here due to the current and the wind. 5.5, it's one of the best boats. Upwind sailing with a 5.5 is a real pleasure. It's hard work, but enjoy it a lot. Downwinds also. It's a very nice boat.